Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Honda Shadow Aero 750. This VTwin 750cc cruiser just arrived with only 11,400 miles. She's set up for short touring. She's got the saddlebags, custom saddle with studs on it. It's got a luggage rack with a tail case mounted. Straight pipes, wait till you hear that awesome exhaust. Really clean, really gorgeous black satin finish. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Highway bars, foot pegs, front mounted windshield. This thing is loaded. It's only $39.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.